I'm outside Urban Park among the projects coming up in Syokimau that has 1, 2 studio, 1, 2, and 3 bedroom apartment. And the owner will take us through the project. Peter, the owner, let him introduce the project he has done previously.
Good afternoon. How are you, my friend? My name is Peter Zhang. I'm the developer for Urban Park here. This is my project. Let me show you some previous project I built before. Let me start from this side. This one is called Villa Lavender. It's in Lavington, along Upper Crossroad. We starting from 95 million. We starting from 2021. We completed in 2022. Right now, already sold out. This one.
Sold out? Okay.
Yes, 120 million after completion.
Wow.
Somebody bought it 95 million. After completion, they sold out and 160 million. The profit much higher than mine. Okay, this is another project called the Cherrywood in Kilimani here. We built it from 2017 to 2022. We have 1 bedroom and a 2 bedroom here. Right now, the 1 bedroom people rented under 75,000 monthly. 2 bedroom rented under 95,000 monthly.
Oh.
For this one, is higher price than other neighbor project around it. Then we come to Engine Heights. This one in South Sea there. We have 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and a 3 bedroom there. This one near to Jackie Airport. It's very popular and fully occupation.
Oh, okay.
Then we go to Rizika Apartments. This one in Kileleshwa. We have a 2 bedroom. Oh, you saw it?
Yes.
Do you like it?
Yes, yes.
Thank you. But this one long time ago. From 2018 to 2020. We have a 2 bedroom and a 3 bedroom there. Right now, people already occupied fully. And people bought it, rented, and 2 bedroom, 95,000 monthly. 3 bedroom, 120,000 monthly.
Oh, wow.
Then we come to Urban Park here. Urban Park is our project we are building until now. We have a studio, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and a 3 bedroom here. My house is very spacious and stylish and good design. You're welcome to my site.
Okay.
Peter is here waiting for your coming.
Can you show us the model?
Yes, let's go. Let's go. This is Urban Park apartments here. This one is the corner plot here. The building allocated in 3/4 plot here. We have a studio, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and 3 bedroom. This block here is 2 bedroom here. This block is very good. It come out, look at the surroundings, it's very open. Nothing is blocked. You can get a lot of lights.
Wow.
Then go inside from here to this side is the smaller house here. 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 1 bedroom, studio is this area. Then this block with all the block here, 4 units of 2 bedroom here. This block is 3 bedroom per floor.
Oh.
This plot is 3/4 acre, but the number of the units is only 168 units. If very few, so you are right. If you like this side of the plot, if you go to Kilimani, Westland, how many they build? More than 300, between 300 to 400 units. But mine only 168.
What are the amenities that you have?
We have the swimming pool here, landscaping here, a fully equipped gym, electrical fence, underground water tank, basement parking, ground parking, hanging area, and rooftop terrace. It's very late inside of the building.
And I saw your prices are very friendly. Would you kindly remind us of the prices?
Okay. Right now, my studio starting from 3.85 million. But this one already sold out. We have another studio called the Studio B. The size is slightly bigger. The price starting from 4.5 million. We have around 4 units remaining. Then we have 1 bedroom here. 1 bedroom, 60 square meters. The price is starting from 4.5 million. But my price was going up recently because my house almost ready. Then we go to the 2 bedroom here. 2 bedroom is 112 square meters. The price starting from 9.1 million. Like this 3 bedroom here, 147 square meters. The price starting from 12 million now. But next week, my price will be starting from 12.5 million.
Wow, so if I buy now, I get 500.
Yes. 500,000 discount and also compared with the completion, my price will be 13.5. Can you imagine how much different, how much margin you can benefit?
Oh, that is awesome. And what is the expected rent for the 3 bedroom?
3 bedroom here, we tell all my clients is around 90,000 a monthly, starting from 90,000.
Okay.
2 bedroom starting from 70,000 a month. 1 bedroom starting from 50,000 a month. Studio around 35,000 a month without furniture.
Like all other projects, this developer is very conscious of space. Look at the space between me and the wall. So you have a free and very special walkway to all the units. Now we are in the more special 1 bedroom in Syokimau for only 5.8 million, and that is under payment plan. You pay 30% deposit, the balance in 12 months. And the kitchen will come fully fitted. I visited the show house quite early because I think I'm the first one to shoot the show house. So they're not yet done with the finishing, but it will come fitted with a burner, an oven, and an extractor, as well as the storage you can see. And this will be your dining area, your lounge area. And I like how comfortable the chairs are and the adoption of the minimalist concept to ensure that your room doesn't look so crowded. And over here, you have a balcony facing another project over here and a mini mall or a strip mall. And here, the developer has given you more storage and the toilets that has a sink and quite spacious and an enclosed shower cubicle. This prevents water from spilling over to the WC. And over here, you have your 1 bedroom. It should come with storage, and you can see they're intending to fit a 5x6 bed. So these units are quite spacious for the prices that we have. For instance, 5.8 million for the 1 bedroom. Don't miss out. The price appreciation in Syokimau it's quite crazy given the factors that I have given you. And for instance, somebody who bought a 1 bedroom at 4 million, high chances they're selling it now at 6 million. And for somebody who bought a 2 bedroom at around 6.5, they're selling it now at around 8.5 all the way to 9.5 million over a period of about 1 year or maximum 18 months. Even for somebody who bought land at 28 million, you can now get a similar portion at around 35 million. That is 7 million in profit. Land banking and banking in real assets in Syokimau is also another option apart from collecting rental income. Those are quite good returns. And thank you for letting us know. We will also bring a lot of clients.
Welcome.
And I will invite as many people as possible
Please.
to invest.
Yeah. If you need any supporting from my side, let me know. Let my seller know.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you for your time. This project is very suitable for families because behind me, you can see they have isolated the 3 bedroom apartments, only 2 units per floor. And along this hallway, you have your 2 bedroom apartments, the small and the big one. And they're going for as low as 6.5 million. So if you want to know more about this project and how you can purchase, don't hesitate to call me via +254 703 460 686. And you can find more details about the project via at Isaac the Realtor on YouTube, Avenue Scoop Limited. And for Instagram is Isaac the Realtor as well. And now allow me to move to the next project. Remember, I'm doing a series of the projects coming up in Syokimau and the reasons as to why you should invest in Syokimau. Because if you missed out in Kileleshwa, Westlands, and Kilimani, this place offers flexible prices and slightly affordable as compared to the other high-end areas. And given that the airport is just around the SGR, the national park, the place is very prime for both investments and families. See you in the next project.